Hello everyone, so today we are working from home and we are becoming a Bob the Builder.
What?
So what's the plan? Let's have a look. So the mission for today is to close this off and to put a barrier over here so the little ones can run around the top floor without falling down the stairs.
Sounds like fun.
So as always, we're gonna do a professional job.
Let's be honest.
Well, not really. Don't really give a fuck because, to be honest, it's a rented house, so we're gonna have to take that down when we're gonna move out anyway. We're gonna make it as beautiful and as cheap as possible. So, yeah, put on your seatbelts. So for this, I've got some cladding, barrier, some screws, some of that shit, and some paint. So this is our new beautiful workbench where we're gonna be working with the paint.
Very nice.
Hopefully that one can's going to be enough for all of it. We need about 8 or 9. Let's find out. So I ended up putting stuff underneath it so I don't mess up the table.
Let's skip this part.
So that's the bit we're going to use to attach the gate one way or another. So we're going to use these to bolt it into the wall. So this paint's pretty good. It's a fast drying one. It's been like what, 20-30 minutes. It's meant to be dry within 3 to 4 hours, but obviously as you can see, pretty good. Yeah.
Premium stuff, Dinesh.
Oh, you're making everything fucking dirty, man. Is that good enough? Nope. As always, let's use a bigger drill. How fucking big do you want it? Yeah, I'll be alright. Yeah, fuck man, I ain't playing around with this shit, you know? Yes, it will be repainted again. That's just the first coat, so it's nice and easy when we fit everything on. So that's a 12mm, according to this shit. But with my experience, I'm gonna use 11. So I don't know why, but whenever I grab the drill, the size of that bloody thingy, whatever you call it, that is always loose.
Magic.
So, then I'm gonna use 11mm for 12mm thingy here. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna fit that in there somewhere, probably like that, so we can attach the barrier. And yes, I didn't paint the back.
What?
I don't care, as I said. So to make sure I know what I'm drilling, I've got a thinner drill bit. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use our eye level, it should be about right. What do you think, guys? Yeah, fuck it.
Professional.
So we've got our pilot holes. So what we're gonna do, get rid of that. What can you see? You can't see what I'm doing, right? It's all fucking filthy. I'm making all of that stuff dirty as well, but tough life, innit? Turn on the hammer. How deep do we have to go? Bloody deep. Hopefully we've got no cables running here for anything, but I don't think we do. See, that's what I told you. I used 11mm, that's 12mm. Oh, and that one doesn't want to go in. Let me help you. Where's the bolt? There is the bolt. Try and get this motherfucker out. Re-drill it. There we go. Nice, quick and easy. Why don't you want to go in? There we go. Bloody tools are dirty as fuck. We're gonna have to go and clean them in a minute. Because otherwise we're gonna mess everything up. Like we did mess this one up already. That might just clean out. That's gonna be repainted anyway. And what way did we have it? Okay, let's grab the hoover. That isn't going anywhere. First thing's done. Should we... Yeah, we're gonna throw in the barrier and then we're gonna play around with the rest. I reckon. Hopefully that is going to work, because they're not in the straight line. Ooh. So what do we have in here? Oh shit. A lot of stuff. Alright, so I'm guessing we're gonna need that. Oh well, we might do in a minute. Oh, you already fucking scratched it, man.
What?
Be careful with the other side. Alright. Look at all this shit. The question is, what way are we gonna put that in? And how far do we have to go in? Yeah, it's not gonna be rocket science, is it?
Yeah, right.
We're probably gonna have... It might be a bloody rocket science, will it? No, it might bloody lock. That's a bloody instruction, is it? No. That is the way I bloody had it. Ah, it's pretty tight, that's why. We're probably gonna go for this big. Oh, that's the bloody bottom one, is it? So what we have to do, we have to go upstairs anyway. You see? So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna adjust the width. Should we just leave it like that for now? Because the problem we have over here, if I stick it to this pillar, you see that? That's gonna be down there to close it. It's not gonna open unless we put it. It's not gonna work, is it? How far can we get these up? That is going too far now, is it? Yeah, that shouldn't be like that. I'm gonna turn it around and we're gonna swing it open to this side. Yeah, seems like the best plan we can have with this shit.
That is correct.
So that means we can go a little bit wider. Yeah, is that gonna work? Just about there. Okay. You can see fuck all in it. So the barrier is installed, but then we've got a little issue because this shit isn't going in line with this shit. So when you close it, it's alright, yeah. But then when you try to open it, yeah, you can't really do it. So what we're gonna have to do, what I realised, this shit is on the same height as this little bit of wood behind. So yeah, we're just gonna push it across. That's it. So we do have the doors installed. Close it nicely, nice and straight-ish. Yeah. It seems like it do work better. The problem with this was because these are the adjustable shit, yeah. So when I moved it one to the left, so it was one of those things smaller, these wouldn't reach. But when I put it this way, it's too tight. So I ended up cutting this bolt a little bit so it went further in, because that's how far it went, and it didn't want to go any further because it was sticking out like this one, and it seems to be working alright. So in a minute, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting the cladding on this. We're just gonna screw it in with a little bolt, and that's it. So I'm here. Yeah, that video is gonna be a mess because in and out, looking after the kids. That's why we don't have the typical video working on any cars. So yeah, what we have now, we've got those claddings, nice and thin. You probably can hear the kids downstairs having fun, yeah. So yeah, as I said, I know they're a bit too short, but these were 180. I didn't want to buy those 2.5 meter ones and cut them to size and shit like that, you know. Don't have time for this, especially that, as I said, when we're gonna move out, we're gonna have to take that with us anyway. So let's go. We're gonna start off from this side. Yeah, should be fine. Right, first one on. Probably Put one more in the middle somewhere, and that's it. Well, one more at the end, so 3 altogether. What the fuck? As you can see, even that this is white, that stands out. I probably haven't been painted for years. Hopefully everything's gonna go in together nicely. Or not. As you know, my bloody luck, it won't. Is it? Oh, we've got this one here. Some of it going in, as it should. But why don't we have the rest of it? Like, kick in. Yeah, these are two the same motherfuckers. But why don't they want to click in? Something's gonna break in a minute, knowing my luck. What I do, I loosen them up a little bit. Oh, I thought it was gonna be nice and quick. And what do we raccoon over here? Let's see if we can go around it. Yeah, we can. We just have to put it on the floor. Sounds like a plan. It's gonna fuck something up in a minute.
What?
Shows you how bloody straight everything in here is. So what I did cut off that top lip. And now what we have to do, we have to work it one by one from the top to the bottom to make sure we get everything nice and kind of squared. The whole house isn't squared, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. It's nice and straight over here, so you can leave it. It is what it is. Not gonna be any better. And we missed, yeah. Yes, of course we did.
What?
So over here, yeah, we are running to the right, so we have to go to the left, so we have to go to the right slightly. Fucking missed again. Same shit. Yeah, good enough for me. This is what we have.
I'm very proud.
So obviously, if I was doing it for myself, I'd probably use a plasterboard and yeah, just do it properly, but it's just there so the kids don't fall out. Normally, I might put something in there, you know, like a little trim. As you can see, that stuff is straight as fuck, you know.
What?
Yeah, tough shit in it. So this end, actually, that doesn't look too bad. But normally, as I said, I would probably go to the end or just close it off somehow. But at least the barrier works the way it's supposed to, kind of. And you can have it open, so we didn't really need that. So normally, I'd probably go for this kind of barrier because these are the easiest ones to set up. Adjustable there, that's it. But then I didn't want to have this right over here just before you go down the stairs, because that's the last thing you want to do, you want anyone to do, just to trip over this kind of shit and fly down the stairs, yeah?
That makes sense.
So that's why I went for this kind of stuff, which I wouldn't normally use, because I don't really like them, because obviously you have to drill the holes, fuck everything up and stuff. So that's it for today. That's it, me being Bob the Builder. Basically took me the whole day to do it. It's 3:47 now. Hopefully next week we're gonna have something more car related. We've got another CRV arrived. Little spoiler alert here. Let me know what you think. Whether you like this kind of stuff as well, because if you do, then we could be doing more videos. Because obviously shit needs to be done, so I can just record it and yeah, put it there for you guys. So yeah, that'll be it for me, being the Bob the Builder for now. Yeah, see you next week. Have a good one.
What?